Hello, everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through using an enhanced HTML form to enter data into Google Sheets, now featuring file uploads. No HTML knowledge is required, but it can be helpful. On the left, I've opened the updated HTML form, and on the right, I have a Google Sheet with headers. These are connected, allowing seamless data entry, including file uploads, directly into the Google Sheet. The form is mobile-friendly, making it perfect for data entry on any device. Let's start with a quick demo. I'll fill out the form with sample data: client name, email, password, date of birth, gender, and I'll upload a document. After clicking Sign Up, the data, including the file details, appears in the Google Sheet. Let's verify the upload by checking the Google Drive folder, specified in the script, and the Google Sheet, where the file URL is stored. I'll do another entry to show it works consistently. Displays a success or error message and shows the uploaded file name. The form resets after submission. Now, let's set this up for yourself. You'll need a Google spreadsheet and a Google Drive folder for file uploads. Here's the process. First, set up the Google Drive folder. In Google Drive, create a new folder for storing uploaded files, and copy the folder ID from the URL. Or, you can also copy the folder ID of any existing folder. Next, handle the spreadsheet. Use the link in the description to make a copy of the Google spreadsheet by clicking File, then Make a Copy. Go to Extensions and select Apps Script to open the script editor. The script is configured to use Sheet 1 for data entry. If you want a different sheet, update the data entry sheet name constant in the script. For example, change Sheet 1 to Records. Update the folder ID constant with your copied Google Drive folder ID. No other script changes are needed. Click Deploy, select New Deployment. Choose Web App. Add a description, set Execute As to Me, and select Anyone for access. Deploy and authorize the script, granting necessary permissions. Copy the generated URL for the HTML form. If you modify the script later, save it. Go to Deploy, select Manage Deployments. Choose the last deployment. Click the pencil icon, select New Version, and deploy to keep the same URL. Creating a new deployment generates a new URL, requiring an update in the HTML form, so stick with Manage Deployments. Now, customize the HTML form. Download it from the description link and open it in a code editor, like VS Code. Link provided in the description below. Open the file by right-clicking and selecting Open with VS Code, or drag it into the editor. Replace the post URL in the script section with the URL from the app's script deployment. The form includes inputs like text, email, password, date, radio buttons, checkboxes, a text area, and a file upload field. Customize fields as needed. For example, I will add another field to capture phone number. We will have to insert corresponding column in the spreadsheet also. Notice it matches with the name attribute here. Test the form by opening it in a browser like Google Chrome. Enter sample data. Upload a file and submit. Check the Google Sheet to confirm the data and file URL appear correctly, and verify the file in the Google Drive folder using the stored URL. It works flawlessly, even on mobile devices. That's it. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.